Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on how to register your DUNX XCell compiler license. To see what license of DUNX is currently being used, you must go to the DUNX tab on the XCell ribbon menu. If you cannot see the DUNX tab, please refer to our How to Enable DUNX XCell Compiler in the ribbon menu tutorial video, which is linked in the description. After clicking on the DUNX button, and then on the About button, you can see that my current copy of DUNX XCell compiler is unregistered. In order to register the DUNX XCell compiler license, you must first order a license that fits your needs under the Buy section of the DUNX website. Once you receive your registration key that you have purchased, be sure to follow the directions in the email. These directions are as follows. Save the attachment to your local disk drive. This action will most likely download it to your default downloads folder. Then you need to go back to the XCell compiler About box and click on the Apply Registration Key button. Browse to your saved zip file in the Select Registration Key File dialog window and click on the Open button. Restart XCell to ensure the full functionality of the product. After you've completed these steps, your DUNX XCell compiler license should be registered. Thank you for watching.